Okay, dear friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Today we shall continue with our exercise 4.2. Okay, dear friends, this problem was asked in the year 2016 June, that is supplementary paper for 4 marks. Okay, well, what we require to prove here? We require to prove that a minus b minus c, 2a, 2a, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. And we require to prove here a plus b plus c whole cube. Dear friends, so what we require to prove, that we have to keep in our mind. So here we have to prove a plus b plus c whole cube. That means here we have a minus b minus c. If we add it, if we add 2b here, what we get? Okay, if we add 2c here, what we get? That we shall observe now. That is, okay, fine. We shall write down the LHS part first. So what we get here? A minus b minus c, 2a, and next 2a. Then we have 2b, b minus c minus a, and 2b. Then 2c, 2c, and c minus a minus b. Now here, what I will do here is, I will make use of row operation. What is that? That is R1 dash equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. I am adding all these three. Adding means what we get here? Minus b plus 2b. I will get plus b. Minus c plus 2c. I will get again plus c. Okay. So what we get here, which is equal to, okay, which is equivalent to what we have here, that is a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Okay. Next here 2a minus a, we are getting a. Then plus b minus c plus t, that is plus c. In the same manner here 2a minus a, we get a, 2b minus b, that is plus b, and here plus c. Okay. Now the remaining thing, what is? I will keep the remaining thing as it is. 2b, 2c, b minus c minus a, 2c, and next we have 2b, c minus a minus b. Now here from R1, what things I can take common? I can take common a plus b plus c common from, okay, row 1. Take a plus b plus c from R1. Factor common from R1. So what we get here, which is equal to a plus b plus c, okay, into, we are having here 1, 1, 1. The next part, I will write the remaining thing as it is, 2b, 2c, okay. Next what we have here, b minus c minus a and 2c. b minus c minus a and then 2c. Here we have 2b. Next one is c minus a minus b. Okay, dear friends. Now what we require to prove? Again we have to prove that we require a plus b plus c. Now here we get again two things we get. We require here, that is a plus b plus c whole cube I require. Only raised to 1 we are having now. So what we can do here is, I will just make use of column operation. That is c2 dash equal to c2 minus c1 and c3 tends to c3 minus c1. That means what I get here, we can observe that 1 minus 1, what will be the value here? 0 here, which is equal to a plus b plus c into 1, 2b, 2c, then 1 minus 1, it is 0, b minus c minus a minus 2b, that is minus b minus c minus a, 2c minus 2c, we get 0. At last 1 minus 1, c3 equal to c3 minus c1, that is 1 minus 1, we get the value as 0. Then 2b minus of this whole thing, 2b minus b, that is b, and minus sign multiplied, what we get here, that is b plus c plus a, we get at last this value minus of, okay, here we have to multiply here with c3 minus c1 it is, that is 2b minus 2b value will be 0 here, and here c minus a minus b minus of 2c, what we get here, that is minus a minus b minus c, minus a minus b and minus a. Now here we can take from a plus b plus c common from c2 and a plus b plus c common from c3. Okay, take a plus b plus c factors from C2 and C3. That means what we get here, that is a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, why? Because from C2 1a plus b plus c, and from C3 1a plus b plus c. Okay, multiplied by 1 2b 2c, here 0, since we are taking minus 1 common here, 0, here also 0 0, and next minus 1. Now you can solve this determinant very easily, and I will expand along this R1, expanding along R1. What we get here, that is a plus b plus c whole cube into 1 into what we get, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1 minus 0, then minus 0 into anything plus 0 into anything. What we get at last, we get the value as a plus b plus c whole cube. That is a required result, because here 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 into 1 the value. That means we get here a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay dear friends, okay, this was a 4 marks problem asked in a question paper June 2016. Please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear friends, let us move on with the next problem. Here in this next problem, we are having a square plus 1 ab ac, ab b square plus 1 bc, ca cb, and c square plus 1. We require to prove 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square we require to prove. Okay, first of all I will draw down the LHS part. Okay, LHS part we have a square plus 1 ab ac, next ab b square plus 1 bc, then we have ca cb and c square plus 1. Dear friends, it is little bit important problem and different kind of problem here. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, let us see here. Now what I am going to do here is, I will just add and multiply and divided by abc. Okay, abc, multiply and divided by abc. Okay, that means for first row I am going to multiply to a, second row I will multiply it by b, and with the third row I am going to multiply by c. Okay, what we get here, which is equal to 1 divided by abc into, I will multiply this whole row by a, that is a into a square plus 1 into a square b into a square c. Next thing, second row by b, that is a into b square, b into b square plus 1, then b square into c. And the third row I will multiply it by c, c square a, c square b, and then c into c square plus 1. Okay, now what I will do here is, I will take a common from c1, b common from c2, and c common from c3. Okay, take a b c factors from c1 c2 and c3. Okay dear students, what we get now, which is equal to abc divided by abc. That means from this first column, okay, from this first column, what things I am taking common here? A I am taking common here. What is the remaining part? A square plus 1, here b square, and then c square. I have taken a common from c1, then b common from c2. What we get here? A square, b square plus 1, and then c square. Okay friends, now c factor from c3, that is what we get here, that is a square, b square, c square plus 1. Now dear friends, our problem is very simple, since these two terms get cancelled. Okay, now here, now we have to observe here why we are taking add and multiply and divide, means just to make these separate values. 1 plus a square, b square, c square we got. Now ultimately what I can do here is, since the required proof, that is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, I can add here r1 plus r2 plus r3. Our problem is over. Okay, now let us observe here, that is next step is r1 dash equal to r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, what we get, which is equal to what we get here, that is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Next, the second value, a square plus b square plus 1. Okay, a square plus b square plus 1 plus c square plus 1. Next, a square b square plus c square. Okay, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. Okay, fine. Now the remaining rows I will keep it as it is. What we get here, remaining rows are b square c square, b square plus 1, b square plus 1, then we have c square, then b square and c square plus 1. Now here from the first row, what things I can take common? I can take here 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. Take 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square from R1 common from R1. Okay, then what we get here, which is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Now since we have taken common, what we get here, 1, remaining rows as it is, then 1 b square plus 1 c square, 1 b square and c square plus 1. Okay, now the problem is very simple. This is what we require here. Okay, this is what I require here. Prove that. Now the whole thing, determinant value should be 1. Either you can solve it directly. Solve it directly, it will be little bit tedious. Instead of that, we'll make use of properties. What properties I can make use here? Still, to make simple, C2 dash equal to C2 minus C1. That means 1 minus 1 value will be 0. And C3 dash equal to C3 minus C1 again. So what we get here, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into first column as it is, 1 b square c square as it is, 0, b square plus 1 minus b square, it is 1, c square minus c square, 0, 1 minus 1, it is 0, b square minus b square, it is 0, and then c square plus 1 minus c square value will also be 1 here. Now you can expand along R1. You can expand along R1. What we get here, which is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square in the bracket. Okay, what we have here, what we get here, that is 1 into 1 minus 0. Okay, minus 0 into, need not to substitute, plus 0 into, now 1 into 1, the value is 1, 1 into the whole thing, we get here 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. That is your required proof for 4 marks. Okay dear friends, okay, this was again a 4 marks problem asked in your previous year question paper. Okay, that is in Karnataka State PU Board. Please pause the video to note it down. Okay friends, let us move on with the next problem that was asked in your previous year question paper. Okay friends, let us write down the first of all the LHS part, that is 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab, then minus 2b. Then we have 2ab, 2b, then 1 minus a square plus b square, then minus 2a, 2a and 1 minus a square minus b square. Dear friends, what actually we require to prove? Depending on that basis, we shall move on with the operations. What operations we have to carry here, that we shall see. Okay, fine. Here we require 1 plus a square plus b square I require here. That means what operations I can take here, that is C1 dash equal to, what operations I can perform here? C1 dash equal to, here we are having what we are having, 2b I have. That means if I multiply it by b, that is C1, since we have minus, I will add it, subtract minus b into C3, that means what we get, 1 plus a square minus b square, minus into minus plus, into b means 2b square, plus b square means plus 2b square means I will get here b square only. Okay, one thing, and C2 dash equal to C2 minus, what I can perform here, 1 minus a square plus b square, here I have to multiply it by a, that means plus a into c3. This operations I can perform here. Okay, what we get here, which is equal to 1 plus a square minus b square. 1 plus a square minus b square. Here I am multiplying it by b, that means minus into minus plus 2b square. Okay, then 2ab, okay, then minus, okay, minus of multiplying it by b, that is 2ab, and at last 2b, okay, 2b minus of b into, that is c3. What I get here, 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, these are the operation along first column. Next one is 2ab c2 equal to c2 plus a into c3. What we get here, that is 2ab, okay, plus of, that is minus we are having 2ab. Next one is 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square. Okay, that is along second column. Now the same thing along the last value, that is minus 2a plus a into 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, dear friends, I will keep the third column as it is. What we get here, that is minus 2b, 2a, and then 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, now just I will evaluate it. Evaluating means what we get here, which is equal to determinant of here minus b square plus 2b square. I will get here 1 plus a square plus b square. 2ab minus 2ab will get 0 value. Then 2b minus of b into the whole thing. B into the whole thing means 2ab minus b into 1. That means what I get here, minus b into I will get the remaining part as, okay, that is 2b minus b plus a into b square plus b into b square. Here 2ab minus 2ab, the value is 0. 1 minus a square plus whole thing, that is 1 plus a square plus b square, and here also same thing, minus 2a plus a minus a square minus b square, minus a into a square minus ab square. At last the third column as it is, that is minus 2b, 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, the last step I will keep this value as it is, just I will evaluate this thing. So what we get here, 2b minus b, the value is b, and I will take b throughout common. Here also minus 2a plus a, I will get minus a, and throughout I will take a common, and remaining values as it is, which is equal to what I get here, that is 1 plus a square plus b square, 0. Okay, fine. The next is 2b minus b, that is b into 1 plus a square plus b square. The next value will be 0, 0, 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay, next one is minus a to a plus a, that is nothing but I will take here minus a, okay, minus a, if I take common, 1 plus a square plus b square. The third column as it is, minus 2b, 2a, okay, 2a, and then 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, dear friends. Okay, dear friends, now here what things I can take common? I can take from the first column, I can take 1 plus a square plus b square common. In the second column I can take again 1 plus a square plus b square common. Take 1 plus a square plus b square common from C1 and C2. So what we get here, which is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. Since 1 plus a square plus b square along C1 and along C2, that is whole square. 1 0 b, next one 0 1 minus a, at last minus b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now the problem is very simple. You can expand directly and you can find out the value. How we get, that is, okay, which is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole square in the bracket. Okay, how we can expand here, that is, expanding along R1, 1 into what I get here, 1 into the whole value, that is 1 minus a square minus b square minus of multiplying these two terms, minus into minus we get plus a, 2 into a square, 2a square we get, okay, minus of 0 into anything value will be 0 only, and then at last minus b into leaving this row and this particular column, taking the determinant of this 2 cross 2 determinant, what we get, 0 into minus a, 0 only, okay, minus b into 1, that is b. Okay, now just I will expand it, evaluate what we get here, 1 plus a square plus b square into, okay, here we can observe that minus a square plus 2a square, I will get the value as 1 plus a square minus b square. Since it is 0, leave it. Then minus into minus we are having here plus 2b square. Okay, first of all we have to observe that here we are having minus 2b. Okay dear friends, it is minus 2b, here it is 2b. Okay, that means we get here 2b square. Okay, the last step we can observe here is 1 plus a square plus b square into bracket 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2b square, the value is b square, and hence we get here 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. That is your required result. Okay dear friends, this is an important problem for 4 marks asked in your previous year question paper. Please pause the video to note it down.